just got my Amazon packages, but this video is about everyday carry. From few years, from 2017 or 2018, I don't remember, 2016, I used to carry this knife. It's a butterfly knife. This is my favorite butterfly knife. I carried this knife since like it's been few years now. I don't remember, 7 or 8 years. This is my favorite knife to carry around. Now I got 2 more. My friend took my hunting knife, or whatever you call it, camping knife, but I got 2 more fixed blade everyday carry. Only $4, $4 for each of these knives. For my inconvenience, yesterday I left my house, today I am in my house, so yeah, I get calls. Not in good shape right now. Well, see, I'm getting calls. Rio thodi kor. What the hell? Cover is not good quality. Steel is not good quality too. But just look at this fixed blade. Wood is also not good quality. Standard stainless steel, I guess, not Damascus. Well, it's alright. This looks like Sark. Yeah. I love this design. I got 2 of them so I can wield them on both hands, you know? I don't fight easily. Well, so yeah. I love this ring finger holder. And this is actual wood, this is not plastic. It's not a, premium quality. But it's alright, it's just a knife. Like $3.50 for each. Good deal. So these are my new ads. When you have 2 of them. I love this too. When I bought this knife, I was about to sell this to like people, or bought it for like selling purposes, but I love it. I'm in love with these designs. Now I'm not gonna sell these knives. I love these knives.